Hello students, class 9th English medium. Today in your online class, subject physics is your chapter is that chapter 8 in physics part is the motion. ठीक है, मोशन चैप्टर आपका चैप्टर 8 काफ़ी दिन से चल रहा है, लेकिन आज आपका जो इस चैप्टर 8 में मोशन चैप्टर में जो टुडे इन योर टॉपिक इज दैट इन दिस चैप्टर यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. So uniform circular motion, what is the circular motion in first defined here. So in generally, if any body or any particles moves such that around a definite point, taking constant distance. So क्या है सर्कुलर मोशन की डिफिनेशन कि व्हेन कोई बॉडी किसी डिफिनिट पॉइंट के अराउंड मूव करती है, लेकिन जो बॉडी की डिस्टेंस है ड्यूरिंग द मोशन वो डिफिनिट पॉइंट से कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस होनी चाहिए. ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट मीन्स द डिस्टेंस इज सेम ड्यूरिंग द मोशन of the body from the definite point. Clear? So the nature of the path by the body, ठीक है, by the body in traveling in any time is the circular shape. So this type of motion is called circular motion. So circular motion को आप समझना था कि here suppose that O is the definite point. कोई definite point means during the motion of the body this point is not changed. Clear? ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी ये point यहाँ है फिर ये point यहाँ आएगा, ये point नहीं चलेगा. If point is changed, then their distance from the definite point and the body is changed. So it is not said to be circular motion. But in case of circular motion, suppose that any point O is a definite point, fixed point, and any body or any particle P is moves around the this point, around the definite point, taking constant distance, taking constant distance moving around the point A O, taking constant distance OP. ठीक है, तो during the motion of the body or particle P, the distance from the body to the definite point is always same, is always change. It is always same. It is not changed during the motion. So here the nature of the ट्रैवलिंग पाथ इज दैट दिस टाइप बनता है. ठीक है, तो कह रहा है कि कोई भी बॉडी या पार्टिकल किसी डिफिनिट पॉइंट के अराउंड मतलब चारों तरफ इस तरह से मूव करती है कि वो डिफिनिट पॉइंट से उसकी डिस्टेंस सेम होनी चाहिए. यदि सपोज दैट ये 5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस है, सो इफ बॉडी रीच फ्रॉम P to Q, then distance is also 5 centimeter, and any point reach here R, then this distance OR is also 5 centimeter. So during the motion, the distance between the position of the body and definite point is always same, is always constant. ठीक है, so this motion of the body is called circular motion. But here uniform circular motion, uniform जो वर्ड इसमें ऐड हुआ सर्कुलर मोशन में, तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन? क्लियर? सो हियर इन फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड is that what is the circular motion, and in secondary you have So uniform means constant, same. They are not changed time to time. So but in what is the value of same or constant in the during the circular motion of the body? So here it is the concept speed. क्लियर? स्पीड चेंज नहीं होती, ठीक है? तो स्पीड चेंज नहीं होती बट वेलोसिटी चेंज होती है. सो वेलोसिटी इज चेंज ड्यू टू चेंज इन देयर वेलोसिटी, ड्यू टू चेंज इन देयर डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मोशन. क्लियर? सो वी कैन से दैट हियर द velocity is changed during the circular motion, but speed is not changed. Because speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. But in the same, but in magnitude, that means their numerical value of the speed and velocity is same, but their direction is changed. So direction is changed. It raised that the velocity is changed because velocity is a vector quantity. And we can say speed is a constant because speed is a scalar quantity. So velocity is depend on the direction and speed is not depend on the direction. So when anybody moves in circular path, then their direction is changed. So we can say that in circular motion the velocity is changed during the circular motion of the body, but speed is not changed. Taking constant distance, ठीक है? That means in same distance with constant speed. So we can say this circular motion is called uniform circular motion. So here uniform circular motion, and here अभी आप देखें कि when any body moves around the any definite point and taking constant radius, constant distance. So here definite point and constant distance. So definite point is called center of circular path. Center of circular path. जिस point के around कोई body कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस लेके मूव करते हैं तो उस डिफिनिट पॉइंट को, दैट डिफिनिट पॉइंट इज नोन एज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कुलर पाथ. क्लियर? क्या समझे कि जब कोई भी बॉडी किसी डिफिनिट पॉइंट के अराउंड कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस लेके उस डिफिनिट पॉइंट और बॉडी की पोजीशन के बिटवीन टेकिंग कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस मूव्स करती है. So body, the motion of the body is called circular motion, and if during the motion of the in circular motion they have constant speed, that means their magnitude of the speed is not changed. So it is the uniform circular motion. And here this definite point, that body moves around this definite point. So this definite point is called center of circular path. Our position, ठीक है, during the circular motion. So this constant distance is called radius of circular path. So here OP is the radius of circular path and O point is the center of circular path. So point A जो है वो center of circular path, that is O point, and this distance here OP is the radius of circular path. Radius of circular path. So here in next topic is that during the circular motion of the body you can find that direction of the moving body around a center of the circular path or around a definite point. See, so we have find the direction of the moving body at any time during the circular motion. So how can find the direction of the moving body during the circular path is that here this any point is O and any body moves around this point O taking constant distance, and this constant distance is called radius of circular path. So here R. Suppose that at point P पर जो बॉडी मूव्स कर रही है इन सर्कुलर पाथ, सो व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ द मूविंग बॉडी, व्हाट इज द मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी, व्हाट इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ, व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी ड्यूरिंग द सर्कुलर मोशन. सो हाउ कैन फाइंड इट? इफ ड्रा ए टेंजेंट, ध्यान दीजिएगा, इफ ड्रा ए टेंजेंट ऑन एनी पॉइंट ऑन द पॉइंट P, एक टेंजेंट ड्रा कर दिया गया, ठीक है, इस सर्किल पर we draw a tangent at the point P. So the direction of the tangent is gives the direction of the velocity of the body at the point P. Clear? So here the direction of the tangent is gives the direction of the moving body in circular motion, at the point P. ठीक है. So we find the direction of the velocity of the body during the circular motion at any point. So we have find the direction of the velocity of the body during the circular motion at that point. यदि हम किसी पॉइंट पर वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन फाइंड करना चाह रहे हैं तो उस पॉइंट पर हम एक टेंजेंट ड्रा कर देते हैं और जो टेंजेंट की डायरेक्शन होगी वही उस पॉइंट पर सर्कुलर मोशन में, ठीक है, इट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द velocity of the moving body in circular motion. Clear? Here it is the direction of, so that it is the V1, and when body moves and reach the point Q, other point Q, if draw a tangent at any point Q here, this, so here the direction of the tangent draw at the point Q is gives the direction of the velocity of the body at the point Q during the circular motion. Clear? So here it is clear that suppose that this velocity is V2. So here change in velocity V2 minus V1. Change in velocity V2 minus V1 when any body moves in circular path. So here change in magnitude with direction in change in their velocity. So you know change in velocity is always produce a applying force. If no any force is applied on any body or no any force is acting on any body, then their velocity centripetal force. This force is called centripetal force. क्योंकि किसी भी बॉडी के वेलोसिटी में चेंज तभी होगी जब उसमें फोर्स अप्लाई हो, तो वेलोसिटी तो चेंज हो रही है डायरेक्शन के साथ. So we can say is also a force is acting on the body, and this force is called centripetal force. This force is called centripetal force because their direction is that towards the direction of the center of the circular path. So this force is called centripetal force. So here, and we gives many examples of the centripetal force, ठीक है, or circular motion. Like this, first motion is that motion of the earth around the sun in circular path, है ना, and motion of the earth around the sun in circular path. And the second example is that motion of electron around the nucleus in atom. Clear? जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड सर्कुलर पाथ में जो होती है वो मूव करती है. सो आल्सो एक्टिंग ऑन सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्यूरिंग द मोशन, ठीक है, इन अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस इन आवर ओरिजिन आवर ऑर्बिट. सो इट इज मेनी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ अबाउट द circular path and circular motion, and here it is your topic is that uniform circular motion. Homework at our home. If you have any doubt, then ask me. I will try to remove your doubt. Clear? Thanks.